Hi there, good morning all, and I hope you all fine. By the way, my name is Ivan, right? And I'm here to improve my English and of course yours English too. Yeah. So now I'm going to tell a story. Once upon a time in a village, lived a cloth washerman. He used to clean the clothes and give back to the people from whom he was taking, right? So he had to, I mean, took, uh, he had one he had one horse and one donkey. So he used to them for the carrying load, right? So one day he went to the village, as every day he used to go there. Yeah. So uh, one day he got lot of clothes, actually lot of burden. So he put on the donkey to carry, so lot of clothes. So and after taking the clothes he just came back. He come to towards his home, right? So uh, because of heavy burden, and it was on the donkey actually. So because of heavy burden, donkey was feeling tired, and during this time actually the cloth washermen feel tired. Everyone, I mean all are feel tired, realizing like we are tired, right? So what's it is in that time actually the donkey asked to the horse. I mean horse, he was also like loading, but he was not only for the clothes load. He just carrying his master. I mean who I mean cloth washerman. So he just cloth washerman riding on him, and for the donkey actually he was loading all the load, I mean burden on the donkey. So one day donkey got a lot of, they got a lot of clothes. So they were going to them home, and in that time actually the donkey feel tired actually. So slowly, very politely, he asked to the donkey, I mean horse, no, uh, could you please help me? I'm not able to walk right now because of heavy load. So if you can share with me, and if you can help me a little bit, so it will good for me, right, to walk. So horse told him horse told to the donkey, no, it is not my work actually. My work is that I just my work is that only to carry my master weight only, not yours, right? So it is your thing that you need to do. Actually you have to do it actually. So I'm sorry. He spoke to him, no, I mean I can't do it for you, right? So it's fine. And donkey said it's all right. So okay, and again they started to walk towards the river. So suddenly, while talking, the donkey got very much tired actually, and he was not able to walk, right? So he just fell down on the, he fell down, right? So and when close washerman turned back, and he saw, so at that time donkey was fell down because of heavy load. So he was suddenly remind that no, he fell down because of heavy load. So he's thinking, no, now I should give some rest. So all the burden took from the donkey back, and he put on the horseback, right? So and it's everything fine, and they just started again walk towards them home, right? So uh, uh, little bit go far away, the dog realized, no, oh my god, I should not, like, if I could take that burden little bit, then it will be like distribute, it will good for me, that whatever I'm having right now weight, it's not like this. So I should do it, I shouldn't be like selfish, he was thinking. And he got actually know, he understood no, we should help each other, and finally he understood what is mean of to be selfish, you know. So this all about in this story actually, we should help each other, we should understand other problems. So this is all in story. uh, that's all, friends. One more thing I would like to tell you, I'm learning English here, and I'm looking for good English speaker. So if you are interested to teach me, or if you are interested to learn something, then you can get connect with me, right? My number is 750 6475615. Thank you very much. Bye bye, have a good day.